Aren't you tired of this old seat strap? And maybe you want something like this? Or this? Then watch the video and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do these new straps. So what you're going to need is your fabric, your template. Just put it here, make it flat, here. Then as I said, you need 2.5 times the width of your strap. So that's 1, that's 2, and roughly a half. It's better if it's a little longer than shorter. The same thing on the left side. Now you take something with a straight edge and you just pull the line through. Same thing on the bottom and the same thing on the middle. Okay, now you're gonna want to mark your holes. So that's 1, 2. You have to make sure it's flat. Make sure it's flat. Drop a mark. Super glue, white marker or any color, and some scissors. Put your template on your fabric and mark the size. It's better if it's a little bigger than smaller. I forgot, you also need something with a straight edge so you can pull the line. Then cut it out. You're also gonna need your webbing strap, almost forgot. Gonna cut your webbing strap to size using the template. Then prep your webbing strap and your fabric. Put it something like somewhere about here. Open your super glue. And put it on your webbing strap. And you also have to be kind of fast because the super glue dries very fast. Then turn your webbing strap around and put it on your fabric. And make sure it's straight right away because you won't be able to move this. Press it down and wait for it to dry a couple minutes. It doesn't take too long. And then you're gonna apply super glue on this top portion right here. Then flip it over and make sure it's tight. Press it down. It doesn't matter if it doesn't stick right away because you can add super glue on the points that then stick later. So like here, just gonna take your super glue and put it there. And then just flip it over, wait a couple seconds, and it'll stick right on. Same thing here. And this is how it looks. Now, as you can see, it doesn't look bad. We're gonna glue the top portion together. So the same thing applies. Put the super glue here. Be generous with it. Flip it over. And make sure it's tight. Now we just have to wait for it to dry. Okay, now it's dried. Take your template again, put it over the strap, make sure it's in the middle. Then you're gonna take your marker again and you're gonna mark it through the hole in the template. Like this and like that. Perfect. You're gonna take your strap and flip it like this. And then you're gonna cut with your scissors. As you can see, you make a hole through this here too. Take your scissors and make the hole a little bigger. The same thing on this point. Take your scissors, make the hole a little bigger, and the same thing here and here. This is the final product. As you can see, it looks really good. Take your wrench and remove this. Flip it over so these washers fall off, or they don't. You just have to play with it. Then remove your old strap. I did this on my last video, so if you want to see this video, it's linked up here. Take your new strap, the one we made, and you put this thing first upside down. Like this. And then this hole comes in like this. And flip it over. Do the same thing here. This is a tight fit, so you have to play around a bit. Just like this. Then take your washers, put them back. Don't worry, this is gonna flatten out if you screw this thing back on. This is what it looks like. And here's the front. Looks good. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see the sewing version of this strap, check out the video right here. And if you don't want to do that and you just want the strap, you can check my Etsy store in the description and you can buy yours there. And make sure you subscribe because I have lots of projects coming up. The next is the custom seat for my motorcycle, so you don't want to miss that. See ya!